Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you how to install applications on Mac. The best and the safest place to install applications on Mac is the App Store. Here is the App Store. Just go to that. App Store is normally a basic installing application on our Mac. It is the same as we use on the iPhone. It is not at all a hard thing. Uh, it is a very easy and very powerful App Store. I'd like to show you an example by downloading a free app. Let's go to top free. Let's see now. Let me download. It's basically now. Here I click on the install app. This is my Apple ID, and the thing I need to do is just to enter my password. Here I go. As you see, this is my launchpad. Here the application has been installed. This is the best way to use the application and to install them. Now, what if the App Store doesn't have the game or the application you are searching for? I'll show you an alternative how to install the application. Just go to Safari. Here's the Google. Let us search the application name iTunes Mac. Here's the Mac iTunes. I go on that. iTunes is simply an app to transfer your songs to your iPhone. It works like an iTunes, but it does not sync your phone. Here I go with the English version. It's a 5.71 MB, and plus just see that it is a .dmg file. DMG is an MacBook support for your phone. The website is loading. I don't know why the server is down. Let's hope it happens fast. Okay, it's not working. I have some of the applications in my phone. I'll show you how to do that. This is the iTunes. Here I go with it. You can see at this page, you just need to drag this application to drag this icon to the application thing. It's as simple as that. It gets copied into your application. Launchpad, go there, and here is my application. All the apps can be installed the same way. If you don't find it on the app book, if you don't find the application in the App Store, and if you find it paid, you can even go and search on the torrents. Like I'll show you something on that also. Sorry, no games. Need to try something else. Yeah, FIFA 13 Mac. Click over here. Let's go for Finope. Download the torrent file, including all these applications. The file gets downloaded, and basically the same thing which I showed you is to be done next. It's a very easy task to be done over here. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and like and comment for my more videos. Thank you so much.